That's hail, dude. Whoa. Come back in. Pea size, big pea. Come back in. Got my car windows open, of course.